Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the Gemini effect. First, you will need to film your subject in 2 or more separate takes, ensuring the camera remains perfectly still. The subject should occupy different areas of the frame in each take. Consistent lighting is crucial to avoid noticeable seams later. This technique allows for creative storytelling, making it seem like one person is interacting with themselves. To achieve a seamless Gemini effect, camera stability is paramount. Mount your camera on a tripod and do not move it between takes. Film your subject performing their actions in one area of the frame, then have them move to a different, non-overlapping area for the next take. Remember, the background should be identical in all shots to simplify the editing process later. Once your footage is captured, import all clips into your preferred video editing software. Place the first clip on your primary video track and the second clip directly above it on a new track. Now, apply a mask to the top layer. Carefully draw the mask around the subject you want to reveal from that clip, blending it smoothly with the background. Feather the mask edges slightly for a natural look. After masking, fine-tune your Gemini effect by adjusting color grading and brightness across all layers to ensure a cohesive visual. Add any desired sound effects or background music to bring your scene to life. Review the entire sequence for any noticeable seams or inconsistencies. Once satisfied, export your final video in your desired format. For more great tips and resources, including a link to a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below for other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.